Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Taeja Unlimited. So today I'm really excited to be bringing you a very inexpensive makeup look. Stay tuned to see the look. Alright, so let's get started. First I am just showing the product. Now I didn't get a chance to use everything in the box, but I did try my best to use as much as possible. So the first thing I'm going to be putting on is their face primer. Now, I did like the consistency of it. It was pretty thick, but also kind of a waste of time because I won't be putting any foundation in since it didn't come in the box. Next is the eyelid primer. I like squirted them on myself, but yeah, that's the eyelid primer. Also, really like the consistency of that, so we'll see how it works. Give it a couple blows, rub that in really well. A little bit gold, so they gave those little sad applicators, but I'm gonna use what they're gonna have in the box. So the first color is actually like a plum, something to kind of match the shirt I was trying to coordinate, and I actually really liked how the color came out. It looked really good with my skin tone, if I do say so myself. Alright, so then I went in with a kind of gold color just to go over it and get the upper eyelids. I don't know why I like to do that, but that is how I like my looks with the gold on top. Alright, so the applicator was just not working for me, so I just used my fingers to kind of blend it in and make everything all smooth, so I liked it. Alright, so next going in with a little bit of the silver shimmer on top just to kind of add everything in, some more blending going on there. Not too bad if I do say so myself. Alright, so I'm just blending that in. Of course, if I was just regularly doing my eyeshadow, I would have grabbed one of my really nice eyeshadow brushes, but to try to use everything in the kit and in the kit only. So the next is the black eyeliner. And I really liked this one as well. It was very easy to apply. It reminded me a lot of the black NYX eyeliner that I do use every now and then, so it wasn't too far off from that one. And I also like that it wasn't really transferring, so I did kind of make a mistake, but my whole eyelid didn't turn black, so that was great. And ladies, you understand what I mean. One wrong move with the eyeliner and it can just ruin the whole look. But I did like that this one wasn't as watery, so it did stay on and it held up. Alright, so the next is the mascara. I wasn't too thrilled with this one. It seemed a little bit dry. It was really hard for the product to adhere to the eyelash. This is me trying to dip it in there a couple more times before trying to apply it back on the lash. So just doing this again. I would not use this one on a regular basis. I'd probably just throw it in my car console for emergency purposes only, but every day no. Alright, so it came with these cool little eyebrow stencils. I never used an eyebrow stencil before, so I was really excited. Seen them used, and this was the brow powder. I decided to go with the kind of lighter brown color. So yeah, just put it on there and started filling them in, and I was actually really impressed with the whole kit. This was actually my favorite part. I really liked it. It was super easy. As you can see, it just took a matter of seconds, very minimal effort, and my eyebrows were pretty much on fleek. I wish this would have come with one of those eyebrow brushes, but of course it didn't, so I just had to make do what it do. Alright, so next, I was going to go with the blush. I was very nervous. I don't wear blush on a regular basis. They gave us that little tiny brush, so let's see how it works. So I was laughing because this blush was just not working. This was not for my skin tone. Honestly, it made me look ashy. I tried to put even more on. I tried the other color and then it actually broke in half, so I just tossed it to the side. Alright, so still trying to blend it in a little bit so it didn't look like I just applied chalk on my face. Alright, so the last piece is this bright red slash orange lipstick. Now, before applying it, I already knew that this was not going to work out, hence those funny faces I was making, but I wanted to be a good sport and again, tried to use almost everything that I could from this kit. Alright, so that just wasn't working for me. Now, the kit did come with a black eyeliner pencil, but I just used that as a lip liner and kind of made the red into like an ombre color. And I feel like it matched the shirt and more importantly, my skin tone a lot better. Alright, so this is the final look. Overall, I was very satisfied with it. Definitely a 5 to 10 minute quick thing that you could do before heading out to work, and definitely going to be putting this in my car as a backup makeup kit. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and like. Also feel free to leave a comment below and of course subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.